Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to set up the NFC contactless payment methods on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to set up this feature, first go to settings and here find connections and make sure that the NFC and contactless payments are enabled, and you can also read about the function and how to use it. And you can also here find the default wallet app and here choose the one that you are going to use. For example, I prefer the Google Wallet, and I would also recommend you using that app, and you have to download it from the Play Store and nothing hard. So open up the wallet now and press Add Payment Card. Now you can just link your PayPal account or add a credit or debit card, and now you can scan it and the details will be added manually and you will be set and ready to go and pay. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.